Stop paying for expensive security installs because this setup is an absolute game changer. First off, the motion detection is insane. One user said it picks up movement instantly without the false alarms, so you only get notified when it actually matters. You are going to love how the 700 lumens light up your entire backyard like it is daytime. Another reviewer mentioned that installing this wireless system took them less than 10 minutes, which is honestly incredible. Plus, the battery life is a massive win. A customer noted they have had it running for over a year without even thinking about a charge. You get the sync module included, so the connection is rock solid. If you want peace of mind without the monthly subscription headaches, this is the one to get. Do not wait for a porch pirate to strike. Tap the link in the description to grab the best price today before it sells out.